I started collecting coins since my childhood because the fact that a coin of a foreign country looks different from the coins that we have in hand actually tempted me to have that in my possession, to have a collection of those coins. So that's where I started collecting coins, foreign coins. Slowly I realized that Indian coins also were issued during the various ages and different periods of time, and those coins were sort of relating to what I studied in my school. So then I got more enthusiasm to collect those coins and to study more about coins. And then I realized that there is actually a very vast Indian numismatic history, and then the coins actually contribute to building up of our history. So that sort of prompted me and enthused me to continue collection of coins as a hobby. My collection of coins initially started out as collecting the day-to-day common coins of issued by the Republic of India, but slowly I realized that I need to have a theme so that I can focus on it and derive a sense of satisfaction out of my own collection. So I decided that I will start collecting coins, one from each dynasty, right from the beginning of our ancient Indian Janapada period till the latest just before the British, that is the princely state. So I decided that I will start collecting one coin, just one coin, irrespective of the metal, irrespective of the value, one coin from each dynasty right through the ages. And then that is how I have progressed, and I have arranged all those coins in the chronological order. And as I have done so, I actually realized that they actually tell stories, like how the ancient coins were different, and then there was a technological advancement, and there were better coins that were produced. The metal changed when the economy dipped, and then we have the later during the 16th 17th century, the introduction of machine struck coins, which are really made out of very fine material and metal, and which looked very glamorous. Coin collecting on a daily basis actually to me helped in a very unique way, that it was acted like a stress buster. So whenever I actually get a coin speed posted to me, I delivered to me, I look at it, I open it, I see it, I hold it in my hand, and then the feeling is really quite different. And then I take it, I catalog it, go and add it to my rest of my coins in a particular order which I have maintained. And the fact that I see those coins actually gives me a lot of sense of satisfaction, and acts like a stress buster. My advice to kids on coin collection is that take it slow. Think about what you really enthuse you or interests you, and once you decide what really you want to do, whether you want to collect coins of let us say post-independent India, you want to collect currency notes, or you want to collect ancient coins, medieval coins, and so on. So there are various different fields of coin collection, or rather themes. So what really you like to do, think about that, and once you've decided, you start reading about it, and once you start reading about it, you will get a sort of a framework in mind, and then based on that framework you start accumulating coins. You can go on it slow. You need not really have to hurry it up, because it is a this hobby is really a lifetime hobby, way that you build a heirloom and you hand it over to your successive generations. Go slow on it, and go steady on it, and join the local groups, a numismatic society that is there in your neighborhood, or try to find out other people, like-minded people in the same hobby, and exchange your thoughts and ideas, and build up your collection.